Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? It's your man Charlie Anthony back with another FYI DIY video, and today it's going to be recalibrating the sunroof. So yesterday I went to close it after I had it in the vent position, and I hit the button. It didn't want to do it automatically, so I had to keep pushing the button to make it close. So I've had to recalibrate it before, so I figured I'd do a quick video on it for you guys that have the same issue. So one of the first things you have to do is you have to put the car in, shut the music off. You have to put the car in the accessory position. So when you do that, you have to come to the button, the close button, right, and hold it down for about 10 seconds. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it go. Right, see, it went into the vent position. Then hold it again. So now what it's doing, it's recalibrating and it's relearning all the positions. So I am holding the close button. As you see, it's cycling, opening and closing, and that's pretty much it. It should be ready to go. Now if I hit the vent button, does it automatically. I hit the open button now. It opens up. And the close button, which it wasn't doing prior to making the video. So once again, it's another quick fix. Your man Charlie Anthony back with another FYI DIY video. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm out of here, people. Good luck.